I need to leave in 7 minutes. Okay. I saw this girl say you're supposed to use mouthwash before you brush your teeth, but I keep forgetting. Uh-oh. Oh, we're just going to morning practice, by the way. I need to wash my hair today. Bad. I think it's been like more than 2 weeks. Uh-oh. Today I wake up so much earlier than I need to, but like it was not happening today. We're gonna make it. Hair in a braid. Today will be easy. Well, not really. It'll be quick. It should only be like 2.5 hours. Birthday cake, summer Fridays that they count with, it sucks. It's chunky, it's different than all the other ones. Okay. Shoes on, dog out, and we're ready. Come here. We made it, guys. Have a great day.